Hello, hi, and welcome back to our channel. Now, guys, I give you nothing about Ezangana's also Tembo review. Guys, let me tell you this: the show is scripted. It's giving scripted, okay, and I can say this with confidence because Uterelo she is actually umamkhulu kayizeni, meaning that uSibindi did pay lobola for uTerelo, and uSibindi have said this on the on in the show rather, that he is going to pay full lobola, uzolobola uTerelo fully, okay, and uzoyovela lapha kwamacele why am I saying kamacele? Ka second wife kambubani guys inu amahle biyela, yes, uzohamba eyovela kamahle biyela. And I've been seeing people being a bit confused on Twitter, thinking that the second girlfriend is gonna be umamkhulu. No guys, please don't be confused. Ninga confused abantu who want you to keep watching their show. Definitely uTerelo umamkhulu kaSibindi, meaning that she is the first wife and she has been paid fully. I saw Uterelo even making a video saying she is not a first wife. No, she is, okay? If she is lobolad, okay, fully lobolad. And I think Umabiela, as you are seeing on the screen, she's gonna be like half ukuyovela, guys, ukuyovela, like, is to just go there and say your intentions, ukuthi uyafisa vele ukuthi uzocela uMabiela, ukuthi it's more like asking for a hand in marriage, but obviously because we're black people, so it's more like half lobola but not full lobola. So guys, do not get confused, and I feel like the show is very much scripted and they want to move you guys on the direction that they want you guys to see. Like, it's so boring at this point. I feel like mina, honestly. I mean, like, yes, uTerelo in a way uye wathi ukusdika kancane with what she did for you guys, you know, especially that statement that she made, love yourself, this and that, like, it was so unnecessary. But even though, okay, if uTerelo benoSibindi were made for each other, they were made for each other. There is no way you would see they should make it to be a bit scripted, as if uMabiela uyena uzoba first wife. No guys, Mabiela ngeke sebo first wife. Even nje, like, when I go to Terelo's page on Instagram, I see her friends calling her Undlunkulu, some are calling her Mamkulu, this and that. This is the the proof that she is umamkhulu wesithembu sikaMpumelelo, and that's good, you know. Congratulations to them. Sometimes you wait for people to get their karma and the karma never locates the door. Yes, Sana, never locates the door. So that's good, guys. I just want to clear that one up, because yes, in the show has been busted, because in a way they script something, or they just want you, the viewer, to feel some type of way, or to you guys to feel like, oh, Derelo is finally getting her karma. No, Derelo akuna karma, guys. All you guys in indaba nje yetshitshi, it seems like story uSibindi azicreatela sona with the intentions yokuthi uVuyokazi azihambele. In a way uSibindi nje wayengeke eze-entertain indaba yetshitshi. It seems like nje kwakuyinto yakhe yokuthi ehambe exoshe uVuyokazi, of which ke guys, when one door closes the other opened, okay. uVuyokazi, she's doing absolutely great in her life. She's happy, guys. Marriage does not define happiness. Please, let's stop that stigma that marriage actually defines happiness in a woman's life, especially even if uVuyokazi wabantu never remarries, and I hate talking about her, but even if she never remarries, she remains maybe a single mother, and, you know, nje abe semjolweni but never get married. As long as she's happy, that's her life, okay. Like, marriage does not define anything. Yes, maybe probably it's nice to have a ring on your finger and be like, I'm married, but it really should not ever be the definition of happiness. It shouldn't, okay. Moving along, kutata uMseleku, kubaba uMr Mseleku, hayibo guysini, lo baba lona akana mahloni. So guys, we all know ukuthi storyline sika Mpilonhle Nkosi yami have been on the hanging in the longest time. So uMpilonhle, guys, angazi ukuthi kushodani, like, kuhlezi nje kunezinto ezishodayo Nkosi yami empilweni kaMpilonhle, because we saw that uMpilonhle uwahlawula on the show. I think it was on the show. Yeah, ngiyakhumbula mina ngibukela amahlawulo kaMpilonhle. And then it seems like again i-paternal family kaMpilo was like no ubaba uMusa mila abuya zolobola, of which into ekhona leyo esiZulwini mina into kanjalo ngiyayazi. So uMusa guys ubelibele nje engayingena indaba engayi-entertain indaba yokuthi mila amlobola uMpilo ethi nje yena since semhlawulile kuphelile what's more needed, okay? And then it seems like manje useya-entertainer ke indaba yokuthi uMpilo mele alotsholwe, angazi mele lotsholwe ngey'nkomo ey'ngaki nani, okay? But guys kune-shocking statement ke bandla akasishilo lo baba wathi nje uMpilo angeke saya ukhabo mama yakhe or in her paternal family should she lobola be paid. Hi guys, I'm like yazini selokhu agula nje lo baba akasekho right. Njani. How do you tell a child that they will never visit her paternal family simply because he has paid lobola? Like, is he trying to say that the children that he's with right now, abompimelelo, the children that he married their mothers, abompimelelo, abongwe, they don't visit their paternal rather their maternal side of the family? Like, it makes zero sense. Obviously he rather never got married to Umpilo's mom, which makes sense that he has to pay some sort of lobola for Umpilo to be fully mselegu. But then for him to actually say ukuthi Umpilo angeke saya ukuyovakasha khabo mawakhe, I was like, oh yo guys, I almost fell from the chair, like in disbelief kesana ukuthi how. And you can tell ukuthi Umpilo ebize isibongo sikababa wakhe kubalekile kuyena, as long as it's important kuMpilonhle guys, we should respect ukuthi this thing ibalekile kuMpilonhle. But hayi guys uMusa like ngeke asoze, clearly he's just no longer thinking with his head. His head is no longer straight at this point. Stroke usenza ukuthi nengqondo ibuye ithi kancane. So guys, personally mina I am so tired, like I'm so drained about the storyline kaMpilo. I don't know who else is with me. Ngidrained, ngikhathele, ndidikiwe, ndifinish at this point because the storyline started on Uthando Nesithembu guys, and I think on Uthando Nesithembu storyline kaMpilo was there. It was never resolved on Uthando Nesithembu, and I feel like it's because uMusa has been a bit stubborn at sometimes, a bit like stubborn at sometimes. And now the storyline has moved all to Izingane Zesithembu, and we are now on season 3, still not resolved. Honestly, personally, I would love to see stories kaMpilonhle being put to bed. Honestly, that's just me. I would love to see stories kaMpilonhle being put to bed. uMusa ayihambe eyobhadala izimfanelo, if he has to go and pay lobola. Sinikeni bandla uMpilonhle something that she has been desiring to do for the longest, which is to be uMpilonhle mselegu, because shame bandla uyambona ugirl ukuthi that's what she wants, okay? Ufuna ukuba uMpilonhle mselegu, and angiyiboni nami inkinga at this point. Angiyiboni inkinga, ngibona nje ukuthi let's put the storyline to rest, please. It has been dragged for far too long. Mide iminyaka guys, mide iminyaka. Let's put it to rest. Up next sine-storyline sikaSinenhlanhla. Kodwa guys, luyini uthando lesithembu ngaphandle lukaSine? Surprisingly, uSine benompumelelo, it seems like they get along, noma bebuye betlashe labatlasha khona, kodwa futhi buye kube ngathi no bayadlulisa into yabo bephinde bezwane. So yeah, it seems like umpumelelo lana ukhiphe uSine and bazokhuluma ngendaba zikaSine. So at first kena ba-addressa le ndaba yokuthi uSine wathi ubaba wabo uyithoyizi, bayasho ukuthi kodwa Sine kwazi wahlupha emhlabeni kaGod. usumbizelani ke manje ubaba ngethoyizi uSinewe uyasho ukuthi obviously into ayengayimini leyo ukuthi ebiza ubabakhe ngethoyizi kodwa nje at that point in her life she was hurt and she was mad and she felt like nje yazini udinga ukubhodla and she felt like nje yazini engaze ebhodlele ngisho nakubaba wakhe ke so wagcine seshilo-ke kanjalo ukuthi hayi-ke nje ubaba wakhe akamthathi nje serious yena omthathisa okwethoyizi kufana nokuthi ukhona kodwa akekho futhi empilweni yakhe kodwa Nkosi yami bandla uSinewe kodwa ngoba usechazile ukuthi le ndaba yethoyizi wayengayisho serious. And also guys, one thing that I don't like ukuthi-ke like nje one thing about them celebrities, yes they are the Kardashians, they are the South African Kardashians, but yey ave besidraga i-storyline shame hayi bayasidraga shame ama-same because I feel like someone else sebebaningi abantu asebembuzile uSinewe ukuthi wayesholani indaba yokuthi ubaba wakhona uyithoyizi umusa I think wambuza ukuthi hayibo wasungibisa ngethoyizi-ke mpemu and then uMacele wambuza manje usebuza ngoMpumelelo. I have a feeling ukuthi uSinewe mengaba ne sit down no-Abonke naye uzombuza same thing ukuthi hayibo Sinewe wawususholani-ke manje ukuthi ubaba uyithoyizi guys ke lento yena yokudrag storyline put it to rest. uSinewe washo ukuthi nje wayesekwatile at the time yabo kwafile kwayifikela shuthi nje into yafika kuqala ukuthi ecanga ukuthi ubaba wakho uyithoyizi of which mina shame Nkosi yami ngiya-understand you know uma ukwatile guysini uma ukwatile akuna formula yokukwata ukuthi kwata kanjeni ungakwati kanje uma ukwatile nje and that's that. So up next ke guysini uSinewe Nkosi yami saze samthanda kodwa have nemfihlo like unama secrets ugirl akasasitsheli-ke thina her fans ukuthi wacishe walotsholwa and nakhona indaba siyizwe ngobani ngobaba uMusa Mseleko sekuwuye phela ositshela indaba yokuthi yey ampur almost uSinewe kwavele wangena amalobolo lapha kaMseleko. Nompumelelo lana-ke useyayibuza indaba and it does appears ukuthi uSinewe uyamcika le ndaba yokuthi bembuze ngey'ndaba zakhe ukuthi hayibo Sinewe awusasho mama ukuthi phela iy'nkomo zacishe zangena like inkinga mama ungasasitsheli indaba engaka yintoni you know and uSinewe Nkosi yami hayi yena shame usesichazile ukuthi oh yes noma Khumalo naye wambuza ngendaba yokulotsholwa yey guysini yabona le Mseleko Sinewe hayi one thing about them they drag a storyline. So-ke lana-ke uSinewe uyasho lana ukuthi hayi Nkosi yami wayesegroovini yena nje into nje eyamqhatha noMlisa igroove ngathi kodwa Sinewe wayeserious nje kodwa uMlisa wena uma umbhekile ngase ngixatshaniswe igroove uthi nje usegroovini siqhathile-ke noMlisa hayi ngeke it's giving uMlisa wayengayimisele vele it's giving uMlisa wayefuna kodwa wayengafuni like it's giving ubethanda ukuzolobola kodwa futhi ubengathandi because angi-understand mina ukuthi nje uMlisa ngempela in his right sense of mind uthi nje waxabana noSinewe wagcina esedecide ukuthi engasezi ukuzolobola it's because of uMlisa wabona uSinewe segroovini wathi nje yena nje akayingeni intombazane umuntu ogroove eklabhini kodwa ngeke bandla uSinewe now she's getting in the 30s third floor usagroove eklabhini ngeke Sinewe ngeke mama yes even though you know you were never meant to get married phela umshado guys sinakona wethu sonke you know akusiyithi sonke sizoshada kodwa-ke ngeke qoqeka mama 30 khulisa iy'ngane zakho mama ngeke hayi usabhizinesi club ngiyakujaja wena Sinewe ngiyakujaja mama andifuni ukungasho awuyiphathe kahle mama hayi ngeke 30 club hayi ngeke qoqeka mama. Up next ke sinese storyline sika Abongwe noLwandle. So guys kahle storyline sika Lwandle lesi. So guys nisemza kumusa Nkosi yami uzile ukuzobavakashela eSipark abantwana ba the Babs. So guys you know this season one thing that I've noticed ukuthi hayi bandla the parents are involved and I'm guessing it's because of what happened in season 2. In season 2 Nkosi yami kwaku toxic especially for uVuyokazi who had to film with them even though inhliziyo yakhe ingavumi. So nje kulesi season kusama parents are hands on. I shame they are very much hands on. So anyways guys, yini umusa ngilana uzile ukuzobuza umntana wakhe uLwandle ukuthi hey welwandle wasutrenda manje ku social media. Guys, you remember that earlier last year or late last year uLwandle ubetrenda into engena size kuthiwa unanengane ezicabangani kuthiwa uLwandle unengane, and sonke sithi sikhathele phela ukubuka i-storyline sika Mpumelelo, sikhathele noSidikiwe finish, sesifuna ukubona noLwandle, kanti uLwandle nomfihlelano uma wengane yakhe, but guys, before sikhuluma nge-storyline sikaLwandle, hawe ma yazi yahlonipha ingane. Ayingeke guys, uyayibona ingane enhloniphayo iyabonakala ukuthi hayi le ngane ikhuliswe kahle, ingane Nkosi yami. Ngeke let's give uMacele her flowers, waze wamkhulisa kahle uLwandle, because tell me why uLwandle ekwazi ukugobela impela umuntu omdala pho engami nje ngqe, egobe ethobeke eyiphathe kahle. Waze wamuhle Lwandle Nkosi yami. Phela vele nje yakwazi ukuthi uma ukhuluma nomuntu omdala nje umuntu omdala guys, for that matter, it could be your father or anyone, uthi nje wena uyingane usumileke nawe ukhuluma ngomuntu omdala akakubukeki guys. Ukhuluma nomuntu omdala kumele ugobe, uyiphathe kahle, umnikeze inhlonipho guys. Ngeke yazini indaba kaLwandle ukuhlonipha ubaba wakhe kanje, mina ngiyithandile kakhulu. Anyway, nango-ke umusa uyayibuza Nkosi yami iy'ngane zakhe, futhi uvele ehlala phezu kodaba. Useyambuza-ke lana uLwandle ukuthi lalela Lwandle, wasusutrenda-ke manje ko-Facebook, ko-TikTok, everywhere kuthiwa nje wena unengane. Uthi uLwandle nje lutho. I can confirm ukuthi mina ingane bayangisukela shame, abathi nje bona sebeyangifisela ukuthi ngibe nengane, but mina ingane anginayo. Kuthiwa manje-ke intombazane bathi nje ngeke intombazane kusho ukuthi ayifuna ukungimbathisa ijazi ngingenalo ngaleso sikhathi. And uLwandle lana uyasho ukuthi intombazane actually they broke up 3 years ago. Cabanga 3 years ago guys, into echozwa uLwandle yazini i-questionable, kunobu-questionable nyana lapha endabeni kaLwandle. Like I understand it too, because ayiyenzi bafethu sense. Ngiyafisa ukuthi iyenze sense kumina, but ayiyenzi sense indaba yokuthi uthi uLwandle he actually broke up with the girl 3 years ago, kodwa ugirl khane esiclaima manje sisu ethi isisu Lwandle tontoni. Ngeke Lwandle phela sisona iy'ngane thina ungasodlala ngathi. Ayekho nje umuntu ongasho guys ungavusa i-ex yakho ya 3 years ago bese uzothi iyona ubaba wengane. Ngeke ayenzi nje sense leyo at all. But also ngifile ngathi nje uMacele iy'ngane zakhe akafuni ukuthi zibe in the midst of i-drama. Uyayibona indaba kaMpumelelo the way i-unfolda ngakhona, uthi nje lutho ngey'ngane zami, ngiyabheja ngey'ngane zami, ngithi soze, so in a way it feels like nje uMacele akafuni ukuthi iy'ngane zakhe zibe ku-drama. Also-ke guys, nangokumusa se-advise uLwandle lana ukuthi phela ku-important, kubalulekile ekutheni uLwandle elontuze ehambe ebe nomakoti okungowakhe. Ayibo guys, uLwandle una-20 noma una-21, and njalo sekubalulekile ukuthi eganwe. And umusa lana uthi nevele kumele nje uganwe so that uma uhlupheke kahle, uhlupheke uganiwe, ungahlupheki nje uhlupheke wedwa ungaka. Ayibo guys, as funny enough umusa once his boys ulontuzana uLwandle benoMpumelelo besheshe beganwe, but akayisho le nto leyo to his girls. So uthi-ke labafana bakhe akathi abaganwe bazoganwa ubani yena umesho, bazoganwa amanye amantombazana kweminye imizi ana-20. Hayi guys, ngeke umusa ngeke bafowethu. Ngiya-understand ukuthi yena wagana usemncane, and probably in those times vele it was the best thing to do ukuthi ugane umncane. Guys, in our age, in our lifetime, ngeke it's advisable ukuthi ugane usuna-40, ngoba uyanyisa umshado, uyanyisa umjolo, uyanyisa umshado, yonke into iyanyisa nje. Ngeke guys, ngathi ngiyakunyisa usune-grey hair. Nothi kunyisa in your youth, phila impilo, phila, and then usune-grey hair nyana usunganyiswa umjolo. Anyway, guys, in this definitely does bring us to the end of the review. If you do love and enjoy our reviews, so give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. And of course, I'm bringing you more reviews. So then, please do stay blessed.